tragic accident at the Dubai Air Show has cast a shadow over one of India's most celebrated indigenous aircraft programs. Tejas, a light combat aircraft built by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, crashed during an aerobatic display. According to the Indian Air Force, the jet nosedived during a manoeuvre, and the pilot suffered fatal injuries, marking a sad moment for the Indian aviation community. The government of Dubai confirmed the incident, saying firefighting and emergency teams responded within minutes and are managing the situation at the crash site. The crash took place during a public display at the Dubai Air Show held from November 17 to 21, where global aviation giants gather for the region's largest aerospace exhibition. Tejas is India's 4.5 generation all-weather single-engine multirole fighter. Developed by HAL, it comes in several variants: the single-seat fighters for the Air Force and Navy and twin-seat trainers for both services. This Tejas aircraft is 13.2 meters long, has a wingspan of 8.2 meters and can hit speeds of Mach 1.6, powered by GEF 404 IN20 engine with 85 knots thrust. Tejas operates up to 50,000 feet, withstands plus 8G to minus 3.5G and carries weapons across 9 hard points. This is the second reported crash involving Tejas. The first occurred in March 2024 in Rajasthan, 23 years after the aircraft's first test flight in 2001. It was officially named Tejas by former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee in 2003. With the world's aerospace industry watching, the crash comes at a sensitive moment, just as India has been aggressively positioning Tejas for exports to several countries. The investigation will determine the exact cause of the crash. But the larger question remains, will this tragedy impact India's reputation as a rising aircraft manufacturer on the global stage?